everyone, today we're looking at connectives. I know you've already covered this before, so hopefully it will jog your memory. So let's get started. Good writers always use connectives. It makes a piece of writing a bit more interesting and enjoyable to read. So what they do is they connect two simple sentences to make what is called a compound sentence. That's what we're going to do today, make compound sentences. So a simple sentence expresses a complete thought. It can also be known as an independent clause. So it's a bit like an equation. You have one simple sentence, you add a connective, another simple sentence, and it gives you a compound sentence. But remember, we have to use our punctuation wisely. The comma goes after the first simple sentence, but before the connective. So here are a few examples. It was cold outside, Maria put on the sweater. So that's two simple sentences. We need to find a connective in the middle. It doesn't necessarily have to be in the middle, but we're going to do it here. It was cold outside, comma, what can you think of? So, it was cold outside, so Maria put on a sweater. There's two simple sentences joined together by a connective, so let's try this one. The dog came running in. The cat hid under the bed. How can we join those? Think of a different connective we can use. Let's start. The dog came running in. Remember our punctuation, comma. Therefore, the cat hid under the bed. The dog came running in. Therefore, the cat hid under the bed. Now, I have forgotten to put therefore in red to highlight that it is a connective. So, here we go now. Therefore. So, your task today will be to make some compound sentences using a variety of different connectives. So if you follow these instructions, if you go to the assignments section, look, made a mess of it, let's get rid of that. Go to assignments for your task, it's all explained there for you. Good luck!